Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can create a landing page in Hostinger Horizon. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Hostinger. That's right. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on it. Alright, and then of course you have to create or sign up for an account. Okay, so you have here the pricing. That's right. So of course, just choose the horizon. So we have here the horizon, and then you have here now the different plans. So currently, I'm using the basic plan or the explorer plan. Okay, so now let's just go to my account dashboard. Then after that, right here, just have to click on the horizons options. Okay, so currently this is your dashboard. Then you have this details right here and the things that you have to finish. So I'm just going to ignore these for now, then focus on the horizon sections. So here, let me discuss to you what is horizon and how does it work. So hosting the horizon is a no-code AI builder that helps you create websites and web apps. So no coding or design skills needed. Simply type your idea in your native language or use an image to prompt, and the AI will build your project. So you can preview, test, and improve with chatting with AI. So when your project's ready, you just have to publish it with one click. You can also connect your own domain, get professional email, and more to help grow your business. And then here, what you can build using the Hostinger Horizon. So you can build web apps, websites, and tools without writing any code. So your imagination is the only limit. For example, you can build landing pages, portfolio sites, fitness trackers, language learning tools, SaaS products, and much more. So let's go and start building. So tap on this one. Okay, and then right here, as you can see, we have these pre-made templates that we can use. So we have Store, Workout Generator, Creative Agency Sites, and more. So since we want to create a landing page, so tap on the websites, then you have here now the different templates for websites that we can use. So for apps, we have this template as well for workout generator, logo maker, invoice generator, and more. So right here, I'm just going to create a website using the AI text. So I'm just going to describe here the website that I want to make. So I want a website for my business, a landing page website. Okay, so you can also include what kind of design, the color palette, and the details of the landing page that you want to create. Okay, so I'm just going to send this message. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here you can also read this while you're waiting. So once your Horizon finishes the changes, you can check how your website looks and works. Okay, and then for best results, you can keep your messages focused on one change at a time. So you can also add images as reference. Okay, and then you can select any element in the preview, describe the change, and the AI will update only that part of your site. Okay, so again, let me just close the section and then let us preview my edits. Okay, so here you just have to answer this question. So what type of business do you have, like coffee shop, consulting? So that's what I'm talking about, that you have to be detailed. So for example, I'm just going to use the coffee shop. That's right. I'm just going to paste it right here. Okay, so here was the main goal of your landing page. So for example, you would like to promote a service. So I'm just going to copy this one as well. Okay, and then you just have to paste it and then tap on the send option. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here you'll be able to see the code that the AI is making for your website. Okay, so you have to be specific about what you want to add or change. So avoid message like I don't like this or make it different. You have to be detailed of what kind of changes they want to make. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So it will take some time because AI is building your website from scratch. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully created a landing page for our business website. Okay, so here, look how amazing this horizon works for your business. So of course, since the elements and the images that we can find here is created by AI. So all we have to do now is to edit the content. So to edit the content, you just have to tap on this option at the top center, and then you can now start customizing every element that you can find here. For example, you would like to change the background. Of course, you have to upload your own image for your business. So you just have to tap on the upload a new image, then you would be directed to your computer um, files, and then you just have to select your image. Okay, and then after that you can now start customizing the text as well. So you just have to edit this one, and then here let's go to our services. Okay, so for example, we are going to tap on this one. So we have these default services. So all we have to do is to edit the content. So I just have to tap on this one so we can add our image right here. We can change the name of this element. Okay. So as you can see, these texts can be changed only through chat. So you have to tell again the AI if you want to make any changes for this text that you can find here. So you have to be details. For example, you have a name for the service and then the description. So after that, okay, so after adding all of your info right here, the details of your business, all you have to do is to tap on the publish option that you can see at the top right of the screen. So tap on this one. Okay, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, your Hostinger Horizon website will now be available. Okay, you can also connect your own domain or get a new domain. Again, the Hostinger Horizon makes it easy to build a landing page quickly using AI powered tools, even if you have no coding or design experience. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.